Alright, so you've got a barb. You're going to stick it into the end of your 1/4 inch, and you really got to smush it. And if you lay your tubing out in the sun, it gets really soft. So now how you see it's right up next to that. So now it's good. Now you just need to take your barb.
Hang on. Show me the barb.
It's the barb.
You're also in the shadow, so I can't. Okay.
And we're just going to poke it. And again, if this is in the sun for a little bit, it makes it easier. You're just going to stick the other end of the barb straight in, and you should hear a pop. When it clicks or a pop, you know it's in there.
Okay.
And then you're just going to take the other end and cut however much you need to get it. I always do a little extra. And then you just attach whatever fittings that you need. Of course I don't have that, because these were not in that.
That's fine.
So with your kit, sometimes you need more, so you can add on for the different types of plants you have.
Okay.
Sometimes they have the barb attached, sometimes they don't. You don't need this one since you already put one on. We'll stick it back in here. And then we'll just connect this to the end, and again you just go right up to that edge.
Okay.
And then we're just going to kind of stick this. This is like a 360. And we're just going to go. And you can rotate this to give you as much or as little water as you need. And you can probably tell that after you've used it a couple times.